let me just dumb this down a little bit for the people like me. Basically, what Eddie's saying is all of these synthetic fibers are made out of some mix of plastics and nylons. And so some of the stronger hair is a nylon base, some of the weaker hair is plastic. But the real challenge is that synthetic hair is large, big, and human hair is smaller and then different sizes depending on where it comes from in the world. So with all these synthetic hairs, the first big challenge to make it seem like human is getting it smaller but strong enough, because it's stronger than human hair. But at a quick pull, it breaks because it doesn't have the stretch. Human hair has that stretch, even though it's considered weaker and smaller. It has a lot of stretch before it breaks. It can take a lot of heat. It's porous. So let's talk about some of those characteristics. Synthetic hair does not absorb water. It doesn't have a cuticle layer, so it's flat and smooth, and it's bigger in diameter, and it can't take the heat. So those are some of the just facts. Some are good, some are bad. And so to make it seem more like human hair, what do they have to do?
So that's the difference in like using plastic versus nylons versus the different fibers that they're doing. Those are going to add elasticity, and those are going to add tensile strength, so they can hold better when they're attached to the contact point. Yeah. As far as the porosity goes, that's where you start running into weaving in those microfibers and such. That's what gives it some absorbency to moisture. So this way it can take a bend. It can be shaped with heat. It can actually take heat, take a bend with heat, and then actually hold that bend for X amount of time before it inevitably, straightens back out again.